What happens when a judge finally loses patience and has a defendant removed from the courtroom?
You f***ing
Take the case of Alan McCarty, who was charged with making death threats against a judge in Daytona Beach, Florida.
You wanna fucking take my kids from me and act like that? Fuck you and that fucking bitch!
On September 29th, 2017, the Volusia County Sheriff's Office received a disturbing phone call.
Communications, Warhurst.
Yeah, I want to report a crime that's about to happen.
What do you mean a crime that's about to happen?
Yeah, there's about to be a crime that's going to happen if my kids don't come back to me, you stupid. Because your stupid judges don't want to bring people to courtrooms. I got a gun pointed at your building.
Sir, what is going on?
Who the are you calling, sir, you stupid? Where's your judge warrant at? You gonna bring that out in handcuffs and I'm gonna execute that right in the street.
Where are you at, sir?
Mother, I just told you I'm outside of her building waiting for her to get there in the morning. I'm gonna pop a cap in that, you stupid.
The caller was later identified as 35-year-old Alan McCarty Jr., who falsely accused Circuit Judge Stacey Warren of taking his children away in an earlier custody dispute. Months later, McCarty appeared in court to face the charges. Throughout the pre-trial hearing, he repeatedly shouted profanity-filled rants, prompting Judge Matt Foxman to issue a firm warning.
I'm going to tell you to be quiet. You need to be quiet. There's not going to be a second time. If there's a second time, I'm going to duct tape.
That warning only seemed to provoke him even further.
I'm going to tell you, you just threatened my life to duct tape me. Did everybody just hear that? You just threatened to duct tape me? Really? In the courtroom, a judge just threatened to duct tape me?
No, I said
You just said, on record, you're going to duct tape me.
McCarty kept interrupting the proceedings and continued causing disruptions in the courtroom.
No, I refuse. No, I refuse. I refuse. He threatened to duct tape me.
When his trial began, McCarty was back to his belligerent best.
No, I'm not. I'm not under oath.
All right, raise your right hand. I'm going to swear you in.
I'm not under oath.
That's a bad finger. I didn't appreciate that. But go ahead. I'm going to swear you in.
So you're going to threaten me like you did the other day?
Ready to participate here?
No, you threatened my life the other day.
Thank you.
I am not under oath. This is being done unconstitutionally. You all took my kids unrightfully. You won't allow my witnesses here. You won't allow my paperwork. Y'all took all my court paperwork. And when they all come in here, I'm going to say the same thing. So let's bring them in. Quit wasting my time and bring them in so I can tell them the same thing. Quit wasting my time and bring them in.
Holly, make sure you take down what I said. He was sworn in.
No, I was not sworn in.
Yes,
I've never been sworn in this court. Bring the camera back. He's making this up.
He's representing.
He is making this up. I was never sworn in. I have not been sworn in at all. You're a f***ing liar.
Judge Foxman calmly asked McCarty if he wanted to be present in the courtroom.
So that being said, number one, I need to know whether or not you want to be here during the trial process.
No.
All right. Do you want to testify though?
No, I don't. This is all being done unconstitutionally, unrightfully. Y'all are f***ing, you ain't allowing my evidence. You ain't allowing my people.
We haven't started the trial yet.
It doesn't matter. You still f***ing deny it.
Even then, the foul-mouthed defendant kept hurling insults at the judge and the courtroom staff.
My daddy owns the building and I look like a fucking idiot, huh? Brought your dress today, you little fucking prick. You wanna fucking take my kids from me and act like that? Fuck you and that fucking bitch. You allow me? Is that what you're gonna do?
No.
Well then do it again, come on. Shut the fuck up. I'm trying to think over here.
Unsurprisingly, McCarty was removed from the courtroom and placed in a separate holding room.
Fucking bitch.
On the road. It's done. Yes, sir.
Motherfucking take all my paperwork so I can't fucking show these people? You wanna take all my paperwork from me? Lock me in a cell fucking naked all night?
However, that room was not soundproofed.
About this before, Mr. McCarty's chosen to voluntarily absent himself as opposed to doing other. Sorry, we gotta deal with it, folks. I've chosen that room as opposed to duct tape. He can watch and hear what we're doing, and I'm going to allow him to confer with his attorney at the critical moments.
Eventually, McCarty was convicted for making threats against a sitting judge. When he returned to court the following month for sentencing, he showed no sign of remorse.
We're also here on an order to show cause, which I would like to address first. First of all, if I haven't formally already, but I think I did by order appoint the Office of the Public Defender to represent him. You're before the court, Mr. McCarty, to show cause why I should not hold you in contempt for behavior that you demonstrated during the jury trial. Number one, you threatened the unborn child of the prosecutor directly in an open
What a
court.
bunch of guys, you stupid piece of
Then also
You threatened my life, you
in the
you
back room.
suck my dick.
Needless to say, McCarty was once again sent to the back room.
No, I'm not standing. Not resisting. I'm not resisting. I'm just not standing up. I'm not standing. I don't have to stand. I hope you fall on that baby's head, you stupid. Never threatened that bitch. Bring play back the shit, you stupid mother. Yeah, keep looking at me, boy.
From behind the glass barrier, he continued shouting profanity and launching more angry outbursts.
But nonetheless, and additionally, because I know you can hear me in the back room. You also called your attorney in open court, and I apologize for the language in which what was said. An asshole, and it hurts me to say those things, but I heard them before.
Ultimately, Alan McCarty was sentenced 20 years in prison for his threats to kill a judge.
These are a bunch of here. No, you're not taking my fingerprints. I'm not going to let you. That's right. Don't touch me, and don't ever touch my kids. Give me my law paperwork. Don't ever my kids. You little keep staring. Come in the cell and handle your business.
Alan McCarty's explosive behavior in the courtroom certainly did nothing to help his situation.